As tempting as it is sometimes to give up on a canvas, don't. We all know what artist equipment costs, and it's just not worth throwing that canvas out. I had one, moved it around my house, didn't know what to do with it, and eventually I thought, you know what? I'm going to make this work. And so this wasn't the first time I'd made use of an existing canvas. All artists do that at some stage or other, but this was the first time I was doing it in a professional capacity, and I was a bit nervous, reason being I didn't want to cover the whole painting in white. I didn't want to prep the whole canvas because I wanted some of that underlying artwork to show through, but I didn't want it to dominate. So in that respect, I didn't know how much paint I should actually be using, but it was worth it. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I loved adding the detail. I loved the texture. And it just goes to show, never give up on an existing canvas. There may be a masterpiece right at your fingertips. Give it a try.